Okay, so this train database we are going to use. No?
Yes. Can I start?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So first of all, uh, yeah, we are the we are importing these all libraries: pandas, numpy, matplotlib,
Mm-hmm.
cburn, and we are going to use this ggplot,
Mm-hmm.
and this is for warnings.
Okay.
Yeah. So the data set is about train data set. It's a Titanic data set. So in Titanic, when it was
So
crawled,
uh, just tell me one thing.
mm,
Train space dot csv. So space is there.
yeah, in my
Okay,
in my CSV it is there. So as it is, I have saved the like that. So I don't want to
okay,
disturb this. I
okay, okay,
just
okay.
yeah. This is about the Titanic crash. So when Titanic crash, how many people survived? How many different class people are there? About gender, their age, their about their family. So about their tickets, the fare of the tickets, and the cabinets, and embarked. Embarked is a port where they are started their journey. That's the embarked one. So these
Mm-hmm.
all details is there. So these are the columns, and about this info, there is 11 columns are there, and so these rows are 891 rows, and some are it's showing some missing values in the age, uh, and
Kevin
cabin,
also. Kevin
cabin
also.
also. Yeah, there is some missing values, and embarked also there is two missing values, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
Then so we are so in the columns we are just work out the categorical column. So this categorical
Okay.
column or it's
What is P
showing
class? What is P class?
P class is passenger class.
Okay,
There
okay.
is three classes are there: first class, second
Mm-hmm.
class, third class. So
Mm-hmm.
there is three categories: first, second, and third. In survivor, there is two categories. Zero is
Mm-hmm.
dead, one is survived. So
Okay.
one then sex is a gender, male, female. Embarked is a port. This is not clear. They just uh, gave a single word, a single letter, SCQ. Three ports are there.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So some people started their journey from S, some people from C, and some people from Q.
Q. Yes.
Yes, there are three ports are there.
Okay, now check for
Check
you.
for
Okay,
duplicates.
you did it step by step. Very nice. Actually, it's very clear. So you are
Oh,
working. Yeah,
yeah,
duplicate.
I inspired you from you.
Okay, okay.
So check for duplicates. For duplicates, as you know, duplicated. So then we have to sum them. There is no
Okay,
duplicates.
there is no duplicate.
No
If
duplicates.
duplicates, then we will drop.
Yeah, if
Will drop.
duplicates are there, df drop the duplicates in place is true. This is for drop duplicates if any duplicates is there.
Okay, okay.
Then missing values. So
Mhm.
there is some strategies about the missing values. If missing values are continuous numerical, then we can replace it by mean or median. If they are categorical,
Okay.
we can replace with mode.
Mode.
If the number of missing values is large with respect to total values,
Hmm.
then the drop column is a suitable strategy.
For this too.
So yeah, and we have to cross check if the really we need the column. If there is not such a no need that column, if there is so many missing values, it's just dropping the column is better.
Mhm.
Then number of rows having missing values. Uh,
Hmm.
very less with respect to total missing values, then rows can be so in rows wise, if there is very small amount of missing values, we can drop 2 or 3. It's nothing to worry to drop them. So this is the
Mm-hmm.
drop for rows. This is uh,
Okay.
drop now is the
Mm-hmm.
is used for dropping the rows,
Okay.
duplicated rows.
Mm.
Then checking the null values. So is null dot sum for checking for the null values. There is age
So
column
there are
have
three.
177 null values.
Okay.
Cabin have more null values compared to
About have two.
embarked is very less. It's a 2. So in this age is a numerical column. It has 177 null values. So we can replace with mean.
Hmm.
So we calculated the mean of the column. So it's a 29. So we can replace with NP nan with this mean. So then we
Okay.
have to save the data. Then next null values are embarked. Embarked is a it's a categorical column. So we have to replace with mode.
Hmm.
So we have to check. We have to take the mode. I'd say mode is S.
Why we are
So
using zero?
without zero, it
Hmm.
will give the this one. So we need only S, right? We have to extract this S. Otherwise, we can't replace with it. It's a actually it's a table. It's a small table, right?
Okay.
So
Hmm.
we can't. It has 2 columns.
Okay. Okay. One
And
column
one
is
row. So we need
okay.
only this value. So to extract the value, we have to select the row number. Row is a
Okay.
0. It has only one index. So then we
Hmm.
extract this one. This is the mode. So
Okay.
so we
This
can
this is repeating so many times.
yes, right.
S is
Yeah,
repeated so many
yes,
times, so that
yeah.
mode is giving the S value.
Yes, right. The S frequency is more compared to
Hmm.
Q and C.
Got it.
So
Got
it
it.
is a mode.
So where these two records is missing, so we are going to put S value in that missing values.
Yes, actually, generally, it's no need of to replace. We can just we can drop the only 2 rows, right? But we need to explain the how we replace mode. So that's
Okay.
the thing to do this all things, because we
Okay.
have to do how we can deal categorical row column, right? That's why we are
Hmm.
did this. Then
Hmm.
next, so in embarked column we replaced the mode.
After replaced, you checked here.
Yeah, we have
There
checked
is
again. There
missing
is
value or not?
yes, there is no missing values after replacing this. So then cabin is a uh,
Where is the cabin? Okay.
yeah.
Cabin
Cabin
you dropped
have,
because there are so
yeah, there
many
are so many missing values,
data missing.
and
So
yes,
there is no point to keep that.
yeah, no need to keep that. And it's a cabin is an object. There is no lot of information also in that column, so we can
Yeah.
simply drop that. So we
Okay.
drop
For
the
dropping,
cabin.
we are using df
Uh,
dot drop
Drop,
cabin
then
extend.
that column name, then access is equal to 1, because we have to select the column, right? We have
Column, yeah, yeah.
yeah, we
For
did
column we will
we
use
have
one, or for rows we will use zero.
for rows we no need to
Yeah, yeah. We don't need to,
we no
but since
need.
there is a concept to, if we are
Yeah,
going to use zero, then that will work for the row
yes, 0 for row, 1 for axis, sorry, 1 for
column.
column.
Okay.
So then we have
That means x is equal to zero. That means x, and x is equal to one. That means y.
yes, it's a simple axis.
Yes,
X
yes, yes.
axis is like this, y axis is like
Hmm.
yeah, that's a concept, that's it.
Okay, okay. Fine.
Mm. Then a small
Now,
feature
so
engineering,
before,
as we are not
okay,
going in
okay,
depth in the feature engineering. It's just a small. We can create or delete the columns. Here we are creating a column
okay, okay.
actually.
Just tell me one thing. Before that, before feature engineering, before that, we did EDA part,
No, no,
or
it's a
we
data cleaning. It's a data
okay,
cleaning.
data cleaning. Okay,
Yes,
so
it is
till now
data
he just
cleaning.
did the data
Now,
cleaning.
yeah, feature engineering come under the EDA part. So
Okay,
this
okay,
is cleaning is uh, we are cleaning the data. We are
yeah, we are
the data is
making
ready
those
for
data.
analysis.
Okay,
Ready
okay,
for
we are
analysis.
making all the data for
Mm. For
to okay,
yeah, prepare data for analysis
uh,
is a
yeah,
cleaning
okay, okay,
part. Then
yeah.
our analysis started with feature engineering.
Okay.
This is also one type of cleaning only. Feature engineering also.
Mm-hmm. Now
It's
we are
not
going to
EDA part.
prepare those data
This
for more usable.
Yeah, yes. We are also checking the columns or how many columns is really useful, how many columns, features. It's all about
Mm-hmm.
features. Columns are nothing but features, right? So, what are the very important columns are there? What is not useful columns? So,
Mm-hmm.
for our main analysis, which features are really important. Is there any adding or deleting? Everything come under the feature engineering. Mostly
Mm-hmm.
feature engineering, we are trying to reduce the features because it's if number of columns increases, it's very tough to deal the data. So so here what we did, we created one column and instead of two columns, we created one column. So number of columns are reduced here.
Mm-hmm.
Here two columns are there, siblings column and branch. It's about the person, how many persons and how many siblings are there with that person. So
Mm-hmm.
we combined it and we all become a family members group.
Family members. Okay.
So we reduce two columns to one column here.
Mm-hmm.
So then, so after creating this column with using these two columns, we just drop those two columns.
Okay. So that's we don't need this column
Yeah,
because
we
we
don't
combine
need
this.
because
Okay.
we took the two rows data in one column. Two
Mm-hmm.
columns data in one column. So we no need of these two columns right now.
Mm-hmm.
So now the uh, data is like this.
Mm-hmm.
I, okay. Next,
Now it's came
yeah.
bivariate.
Now our
Analytical.
analysis is started. Now we started with bivariate two features.
Now our
Started
data is
with two features.
ready to do some task,
Yes,
right?
yes, right.
Okay.
So
So bivariate
into
numerical spelling, I think that is
yeah,
wrong.
yeah. I am very weak in spelling. Sorry.
No problem. Here there is e extra.
Okay.
Make it correct. All the three numericals.
Mm.
Okay.
So, we are going to start with bivariate analysis. In bivariate, we are taking two features.
Hmm.
The feature might be numerical, categorical, or numerical. Okay, sorry, both can be
If
categorical.
both are categorical, then we can use count with few.
If there are both are numerical, we can use scatter plot, line plot.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Numerical, categorical, we can use bar plot, box plot,
Bar,
and violence plot.
box and plot. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, if both are categorical, we can use count plot with hue.
Mm-hmm.
Anuj, 1 second, Anuj, got a call.
Yeah, okay, okay. Yes.
Yeah. Then we took two categorical columns. Both are
Hmm.
categorical.
Hmm.
The columns are survived and sex columns. Two columns are there,
Okay.
gender and survived
Hmm.
columns.
Okay.
So
He check how many survived and how many.
yeah, in
Okay.
this we are going to check how many survived and how many not survived.
Hmm.
So first we are checking the survived columns. We'll grab some data from survived columns.
Hmm.
So is survived is a categorical column. So zero represent to
And there are two
how many
categories which one category is zero and second one is first one.
one. Zero
Okay.
means dead.
Dead.
One
Okay.
means survived one, survived
Okay.
passengers.
Uh-huh.
So there are 549 were dead and 342 were survived.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So
Okay.
it's same thing we plotted here with
Mm-hmm.
the help of bar plot, and I did something here actually.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Here on the bar plot, there is value also showing. Did you?
Okay, okay, okay.
So I did this.
Okay, okay, good, good.
I did something. I has shown it somewhere earlier. So I
Mm-hmm.
just tried here.
Okay.
So generally we did this one
Hmm.
sns.count plot.
Yes, yes.
Then what I did is saved in a variable, then give the bar
Bar label.
labels.
Okay.
Then these two are containers. So
Uh-huh.
with this single code is there.
Okay,
So
okay.
it will give the
Then
values of each bar. So we can so this is survived bar contains 549 people. Sorry, it's a
mm-hmm.
dead,
That
not
is
survived.
more clear.
Yeah.
That is more clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the count plot.
This is for this is just for survived people. How
This
many
is
people they
just
survived and not survived.
yeah. We just checked the survived column. How many people are survived and how many were dead.
Hmm.
Then so count plot is just this is a plot for value counts.
Hmm.
And we also took the percentage, how much percentage were survived. It's a 61% were not survived, 38%
Hmm.
only survived.
Okay.
So he used is here normalized here,
Okay.
normalized one.
By
So it will,
normalize, we are just getting in percentage. Okay.
yes. Then we print the percentage of people survived and percentage of people dead here.
Mhm.
Then male and female travelers.
Okay.
Then
So this is the
this
part
is
for genders.
this is the yeah. So survived column is over. Now we are checking about the gender column.
Yes.
In gender column, we are just check how many females and how many
Okay.
males.
Same like before.
Same thing with gender. So
Okay.
it tells 577 people are male and 314 people are female passengers.
Female. Okay.
Same we did with
Then same.
normalized and it will give the percentage of female and male people.
Okay.
Then so in male and female, now we are checking
Survival rate.
who, yeah, survival rate. Who is the more
Sure.
survival in female or
Okay.
male? So we are going to check them. So in the male and female, whose survival rate is more? So for that, we first used the group by function for gender.
Mhm. Hmm.
Then so in each gender, we are counting the values, counting
Okay.
so that it will give the how many females in female group, how many were survived, how many not survived. At the
Okay. How many
same
did
thing, yeah, how
or
many
male?
in male also same thing will come.
Hmm.
Uh, then gender Yeah, then it will, then we also calculated in percentage also with normalize.
Hmm.
So we use it normalized here. So it will give the percentage. Same thing with percentage.
Okay.
Then same thing we printed here.
Hmm.
So we plotted here now. Now same thing we plotted here. So for this, there is two categories, right? So zero for
Zero for
sorry,
male.
not survived and one for survived.
Okay. Yes, yes, yes.
So it will give. We have to two times. We have to do the this for
Mm-hmm.
show the values. So it's a count plot with hue because both are categorical
Mm.
column. So we use it count plot with the hue survived. Count plot with gender and hue with survived. So it will give the data. Male, most of them were not survived. In female category, survival rate is very high compared to male
Mm.
category. Okay. Then, so we also did pie chart also we did. So here we give the labels first, male,
Okay.
female. So first we took the values of genders, then male survived and not survived, and in female survived and not survived. Survived, we calculated, then we give the labels. So we just took this data separately, or else we can directly also we can
Okay.
do in. So this is, we took three subplots. One is
Mm-hmm.
for only male females. How many males?
Okay.
How many
This is
females?
combined with male female, then
Yeah,
only
male
male
female.
and
In
female are
male,
separate.
yeah, in male category, how many survival and how many not survival. In female category, how many survivals and how many not survival.
Okay. Can you
With,
tell me one thing
yeah,
about subplot? What is one and what is three and what is one?
it's a one means it's a one three means it's a one row, three columns. So
Okay. First
it's
row
a
and three columns.
yeah. In these subplots, there is a single row. In single row,
Hmm.
there is three plots. It's
Okay.
three is
What
a
will
three plot.
happen? What will happen if we will change in
Uh,
second part, okay, here what
okay.
will if we change here
Mm.
two three sorry, 2 3 1,
Here too.
can
Here,
you, okay, you are taking three columns, right?
yeah.
Okay, just take in first, just I'm just I just want to understand how this is
Okay.
working. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
in first part just type 1 comma 2 comma 1, so that's first column, sorry, first
No,
row,
it will
second
it
column, second
this
column,
one.
and first, okay,
Here you are saying
okay,
here,
okay,
or
okay.
we are taking, actually we are going to plot three plots,
No, no, no,
right?
what I am just what I want,
Mm.
just 1 to 1, and in second plot you do 1 to 2, okay,
Then these
and
two
in
plots
third,
will come. In third,
okay,
it
okay,
won't come.
okay, okay, for this third, can we type 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 comma 1? So what will happen if we will try this one? Let's
No, it won't come.
take
It will give error, I think.
uh,
Oh, something happened.
something happen, but
So there is no male female category.
yeah.
Uh, and there is it gave only two plots.
So
One is
how do we
female.
get in second row. How do we get in second row? Suppose we want to take we have four pie chart. Okay, we want only two chart come in first row and second two chart come in second row. So how can we do that?
What? Come again.
Suppose we have four pie chart. Okay, four. Right now we are just taking three pie chart. Okay.
Okay, four pie
So
charts.
if okay, four pie chart. I want in first row two pie chart, and second row two pie chart.
Yeah, 2
Then
comma 2 comma 1, 2 comma 2 comma 2, 2 comma 2 comma 3, 2 comma 2 comma 4.
okay, okay,
Because it will tell you the we have to multiply this two 1 comma 2. It will give finally two plots only.
okay,
So
okay.
this 2 is common. This row, this column is common for
For all.
entire subplots
Okay, okay.
and
Just
only
do it two comma one first. Okay, remove first one. Okay,
okay 2 comma 2 comma 1.
yeah, and change in here also two comma
1,
two
2
and
comma 2
two
comma
comma.
3, and we have to
Now
plot give
run.
one more. Then what happened? This empty one, there is no data. We
Okay,
didn't
okay,
give the
okay.
empty data, empties,
Okay,
right?
now my
So
doubt is clear. Now my doubt clear.
okay.
Okay, okay,
And
okay,
we also do this, reverse also do this. We just 1 3 1, right? We can
okay.
do 3 1.
Mm-hmm. So same result will come.
No, it will column wise it will come.
This will show like vertical format.
Yes, column wise it
Okay,
will give
first
column
this will
wise.
show you the
So
column, then two.
there is three rows, one column.
Yeah, yeah. Three
So
rows,
3
one
1.
column.
Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
that's why 3 1.
Yes,
If
yes.
we reverse it 1 3, 1 row, 3 columns.
Now clear. Actually, last session I was thinking about this thing, so I
Okay.
didn't get the time to revise. So that's
Oh,
I asked. So now all is clear. So I don't need to extend more time on this.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
కాదు అన్న స్పైసీ కావాలి అయిపోయా ఓకే నాకు 10 minutes ఆగు నీకేమైనా చేసేస్తా
Okay.
ఓకే రైట్ సో how many plots we want?
Now.
That many plots will give this when we multiply these two.
Uh-huh.
3 into 1, it will give 3 plots.
Okay.
So 1 2 3.
Okay.
We have two subplots, number of subplots are 1 2 3.
Okay.
That's it. That's a simple thing.
Okay. 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 So
Yeah.
same.
If you want more clear, I will do one thing for you. So, how many plots you want?
No, I got the point.
Okay. So
I
no
got the
need.
point. No need.
Here we can. It will give empty plots. 2
Yes.
comma
Yes.
2 comma 1, right? So
So
2
that
comma
means
2
two row,
comma
two comma.
means
Two row, two
yeah,
comma.
we have to give 4 plots here. If you
Four
give 3
plots.
plots,
Yeah.
it will some space will come.
Yes. 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 Got it.
Oh,
Got it. Now it's very clear.
okay, so we have to 2.
Mhm.
Now third 2 by 2 third plot, 2 by 2 fourth plot.
Hmm.
So it is see empty data will come with
Yes.
4
Yes. Yes.
plots.
Got it.
That's then you can in between you can plot anything here,
Yes. Yes.
pie plot or anything bar plot. In those space will fill with your data.
Hmm.
These are empty figure. It's a figure. It's just a
Yes. Yes. Yes.
background. It gives the
Hmm.
space for 4 plots because you selected 4 subplots.
Yes. Yes. Got it.
Yeah. Okay, then Then next columns
Passenger
we
class
take
and
is
survive.
yeah, these two columns we took.
Hmm.
These both also
Same
categorical columns.
same thing we
So
did.
same
Okay.
thing we did again.
Okay.
Uh, so
We
count
can
plot with hue here
yeah, okay.
also.
Okay. So we can go little fast on this part because this is the same thing.
Yeah, this is the
Just like
same thing, same pie plot here. So in P class one, how many survived, how many dead. In second class, in third class, how many people will survive. So in compared to these three, in first class the survival rate is more compared to third class.
hmm.
It tells the poor people was more did more actually compared to rich people because first class is costly than third class.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then embarked and survived columns. It's so people came from which port will survived more. So people
Hmm.
came from which port survived more. So
Hmm.
we are figure out this with count plot. Just we check the embarked column, how many
SCQ. Yes,
categories
yes,
are
yes.
there. So there
Hmm.
is three categories S, C and Q
Q.
in
Yes.
embarked column. Then we count
Sir,
it
we are compare with survived.
survived with count plot with you. So there is in seaport there is a survival rate is the people who start their journey from seaport, the survival rate is more compared to other ones. Then so the people start with journey from seaport got survived more. So that's the conclusion.
Hmm.
Then so same thing we counted here, like in code form. The same
Hmm.
thing. Here the same thing in pie chart also same. We got the same. So embarked C has more survival rate compared to embarked S and embarked Q.
Okay.
Maybe more rich people came from embarked C.
Hmm.
I guess because
Okay.
their survival rate is more.
Okay. Family
Uh,
member and
yeah,
survived.
survived column. We just check the. So there is 10 categories, zero. So then, so
That is
we,
also kind of categories.
yeah,
Huh? Zero.
categories. There is, yeah, zero. And there is only single one member
Hmm.
family. One means
Hmm.
two. There is a two members. Zero means alone.
Hmm.
So most of the people traveling alone. Then one
Hmm.
is a single family. It means there may be two people or there single family.
Hmm.
Two means there is a two member. Family means two members, right?
Okay.
Maybe they have one kid like that.
Hmm. Hmm.
Zero means alone. They are traveling alone. So alone people, most of the people traveling alone here.
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
Here. So then how many passengers are traveling with equal to or more than five family members? So more than five members, more than
Okay.
five.
This is the question. Uh, okay. This is the question, and we have to solve the.
Yeah, yeah, we have to solve with code.
Hmm.
So we in family members we have to condition. We should use the condition. Family members
Hmm.
greater than or equal to five. So it tells
Okay.
47 passengers are traveling with family members. There is a 47 people with
Hmm.
having family more than five people.
Hmm.
So there is one alternative also for this.
Hmm.
This can also calculated like this also. Then there are 47 people traveling with greater than or equal to five family member.
Hmm.
Then family member with respect to survival. So we are
Okay.
so we are count plot with who survived here. So because both are category columns. So in single alone, the passengers who are traveling alone survived 347, 374 are dead and 163 are survived. Sorry. So single family, double and two-member family, three more than two three-member family got survived more. Survival rate is more here. So family
Hmm.
with one, two, three members have more survival rate compared to other category.
Hmm. Okay.
Uh, then so same thing with the values. So we grew by family members. Then we calculated the survival rate here.
Hmm.
Number of survival, number of passengers survival. So each category it give these values.
Hmm.
And then next question is find the survival rate of passengers who are traveling alone.
Hmm.
So we here condition is the family members alone is 0.
Hmm.
So 0 represent the passengers traveling who traveling alone is represent 0. So we selected the alone people, and then there we have to check the survival rate.
Okay.
So we group by the family members, then we take the value counts of survival, so it
Hmm.
will give. Then we also calculate the normalize.
Okay.
It's a percentage,
Okay. Same percentage. Okay.
same in the percentage.
Okay.
Without this also it come.
Find the survival rate of passengers who are. What was that?
No, actually it's if we do directly
Yeah.
without
Tell.
condition directly group by also we can do, but
Hmm.
here we need only alone people, right?
Hmm.
So we have to select this index here.
Okay.
So it will give this one,
Hmm.
but in little different way. It
Hmm.
is showing little different.
Okay.
Then find the survival rate of passengers who are traveling with one, two, three family members. So there is three conditions. One is family member one, one family member two, one family member three.
Yeah. Okay. Find
In
the survival
three,
rate of.
yeah.
Okay.
Here we are using our condition. So the survival. So is the this is so these three family members, one, two, three. In those three type of family members, including the passengers, in combined with combining the data, then we got uh, this much percentage of people were survived. This many were dead.
Hmm.
In another way, we can do this can also do the
Hmm.
same result will come uh, greater than 1 and less than 3, it will give 1 2
Okay.
3, so that
Hmm.
it will also. And we also use the function of easing function
Hmm.
because this all in the same column, right? Family members
Actually,
column
when
only.
he asked about this question, that time I used to use this method easing. Okay,
Okay,
but
okay.
I deleted because he didn't taught, no? So that I deleted my
You can
answer.
you can give it no issue. Maybe he knows, but he
No, no, no.
didn't.
He knows, but sometimes
Okay,
we don't need to go very fast.
yeah.
We have to move along with
So
it.
yeah, this is also can calculated with is in function. Then
Till
uh,
there, I attended.
okay,
Till
you
there,
it was there here.
yeah.
So
After that,
this
I
is
can.
find the survival rate of passengers who traveling with four or more. So this is
More
also simple only. It we have selected four members family here.
Mm.
Then univariate analysis. So
Mm.
single columns we
Single
are
feature
taking now,
column.
single features.
Yeah.
So in numerical, if the column is numerical, we can use this distribution plot, box plot, pylon plot. If there is categorical, then count plot, pie plot, histoplot.
Mm.
Mm, so numerical columns we are taking
Mm.
first. So
Mm.
fair column is a numerical column.
Okay.
So for analyzing fair, we are taking two plots. One is subplot, one is the distribution plot, one is box plot.
Yeah.
So there is some. So the plot is like this. It's a skewed one. It's a
Mm.
positive
That
skewed,
is left is skewed.
right skew.
Right is skewed.
The tail is at right side, right? It's a right skew.
Okay.
Uh, Now in the box plot, it's showing some outliers
Mm-hmm.
in this column.
Yeah.
So that's the information about that column. Then extract the passengers who paid more than 500. So here
Mm.
condition is the fare is more than 500.
Mm-hmm.
So the details all will come. Three passengers paid more than 500.
Mm.
Uh, so we also so the people who belongs to which port embarked, they both the people are from sea. So
Mm.
we already told, right, the richest people came from sea.
Okay.
So more survival rate also more in came from sea. Then what percentage of people paid in between 200 and 300? So there is two
This
conditions.
concept, okay. Before also we used something like that.
Yeah, same
Conditional.
thing. Yes. So there is 1.91% of people paid between 200 to 300.
Mm-hmm.
So we took the in percentage. Then what percentage of people paid less than 100? So there
Mm.
is 94.05% of people paid fare less than 100. There is more people who paid less than 100.
Mm.
So that was the fair column. Then numerical categorical. We are comparing fair column with P class column.
Mm-hmm.
Not comparing, we are analysis with fair column with this class column. Then we are a bar plot. We plotted bar and box plots. Two plots we plotted.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
So with this information, we concluded like in P class there is three different classes, and one is more
One is more
costliest.
costly.
So the one class is the price is more. It's compared to remaining classes. It's a more costliest class. First class is. Then
Fair and embarked class.
we fair and embarked clause. In this, we plotted the same thing with embarked clause. So
Okay.
conclusion is the people started
With
from the
the with
sea.
okay.
Sea paid more
That's good.
more fare. So
Okay.
embarked sea passengers gave more the
More
more fare.
fair. Yeah.
Yeah, and they
This
traveled
chart
in
is
luxury
this chart
class.
is between embarked and fair.
Yes, C class is
They
costly.
travel class.
Yeah, costly, and the survival rate also more compared to other.
And again here we are using group by
Yeah,
travel.
there is a question from which port the ratio of travelers in passenger one was highest.
Hmm.
So it's some tricky actually. It's a tricky
Hmm.
question. So from which embarked port? So we have to group this embarked port. Then each embarked port there is three classes.
Hmm.
So the people came from seaport. There is again three classes people are there.
Hmm.
So from the people start from Q port. There is also three type of
Three
people came.
classes. Each
So in
embarked having three classes. One,
yeah,
two,
three
three.
classes. In these three classes, which in C first class of C is highest, or first class of Q is highest, or first class of S is highest. I mean, number of travelers. So
Hmm.
in C embarked, one is contain 85 members. Here only two members. And from S, there is first class people are 129. So
129.
yeah, S have more people from first class.
Hmm.
So here we are taking separately. So
Hmm.
group by embarked, then we counted the P class, then we selected only C class, C and 1. So here we selected C, same this one. It
Hmm.
gives C with three class people, Q with three class people, S with three class people. So
Separated percentage.
oh, yeah, we separated. We took different separately. We selected in this index, and in this subcategory we selected this one. See,
Okay.
in this same code we selected C. In that C one,
Okay.
so it will give the this one.
Okay.
So this is 50% people. So and then embarked is first class people are uh,
19%.
19%.
19.96%.
Yes. In embarked queue, first class people are 25% only.
Hmm.
Yeah, there are only 25%. So embarked C have more members with first class people,
Hmm.
right? They are 50%, here
Yes.
19%, here only
2%.
2%.
2.5. Okay.
Yeah, 2.5%. So embarked C have most people with first class.
Uh,
So it's a little tricky. Actually, I was so confused with this question.
okay. And
uh,
fair and survival.
this is again simple. Fair and survival. We
Hmm.
same we did box plot
Yes,
and
yes, yes. Yes, yes.
so conclusion is the people who paid more fair survived more. So
Hmm.
fair and compared to fair and survived. So people who give mm, more money for traveling, they survived more.
Okay.
Then age column. Only age column we remain. Age column also a numerical column. We just plotted this distribution plot and box plot. So people between 20 and 40 people are more compared to other ages. Here also between 20 to 40 the age people are more. And what percentage of travelers have age between 20 to 40? Same thing the question is asking. So your condition is between 20 to 40. Less than 20, sorry, greater than 20 and less than 40. So we calculated the percentage. The
Hmm.
percentage is 64%.
Okay.
So the people ages between 20 to 40 are 64% in the
Hmm.
passengers, all passengers.
Okay.
Then we same thing we can plot with violin plot also we can do. It is also
Hmm.
So the peak is between 20 to 40. Means
Okay.
the people are more
More,
compared to
most of the people there.
yeah. Then age and survived. So we compare age with survived. Here there is no much difference age with survival. So age is least affected on survival rate.
Mm-hmm.
So there is no comparison with age survival.
Mm.
And now numerical age and fair column also we plotted. Here also not
Line
much
plot.
information. It's a very flatted one. There is no
Mm-hmm.
increment. Line plot we
Yes.
plotted. There is no increment and decrement. It's very flatting. So there is no relation between fair and age also.
Mm-hmm.
Same thing we scattered plot also. There
Scattered
is no
plots.
it is also showing some flat information. There is
Yes.
no increment, decrement. So there is
Mm.
no comparison with, sorry, every time it comes. Comparison with age with, there is no relation between age and fair also. So
Mm-hmm.
that was the end.
Okay. So that is very good project.
Yeah.
Uh, and all topic has been covered in this project.
Yes, yes, almost all covered.
So thank you for this project. It's a very nice.
Yeah, thank
Thanks.
you.